Okay, jumping back into another video, I want to go over quickly the next meme coin I think is going to run and run hard. We've seen Brett, I think, get to $1 billion market cap. Meme coins are absolutely ripping. Is this one next? Let's look into it because the chart looks absolutely excellent. I've been scaling it into this position. Obviously, we've got some absolute bangers with Floki. We've got Pepe, Whiff. We've absolutely been nailing. PopCat, we're still in right now. It's been really frustrating, but it's still looking good. But let's get into the next altcoin today. So without further ado, Peng. I think Peng, we have this beautiful like cup and handle almost, and it looks like it's going to break out right now. So having scale into position here, I want to quickly show you guys in the chart what we look like. So we had here, this dotted line is value area high of this section through here. So you can see here, we have been caught underneath it, underneath this value area, pinned underneath. We flipped, broke above value area high, came back down here and retested, and this was the area I was looking to get in this orange box here. So I've been filling my bids there. Why in the orange box? Had that value area high and also this nice level here. We've had this as support, resistance, came back and flipped it, and I thought if we come back down below here, I'm going to cut this position if we break down below this blue line at 45 cents. But as long as we hold above there, this looks insanely bullish. Looking at the fundamentals of Peng here as well, we have total supply, 100 million coins. It says all are on the market right now, so 100% are in supply. So there's not going to be some team or early investors dumping on you. All the tokens are in supply, which is extremely bullish. There's no token inflation, but fully diluted market cap 64 million. So this has got massive, massive room for growth. A 10x is only taken up to $640 million market cap. And when we compare that to just these are the top meme coins, and you look at the market caps here, Doge 23 billion, in the billions now, Bonk, Floki, things are absolutely tearing, guys. And these are in the $1 billion. So if we can get, so a 10x would take it to this meme, which is obviously going to fall off. This meme coin is not going to run, called meme. There's obviously, we're going to beat that. Brett, you see it up here in $1 billion market cap. There's so much room for potential growth here. And when we look at this, just the chart, it looks insanely bullish. Let's look at the RSIs. So if we take this fast time frame out, and we look from the 4-hour, 12-hour, daily, and the 3-day, you can see here they have a lot of room here. So we're above the orange lines on all of them. So we're above the 50 level, meaning the momentum's bullish. We've had this push up. We came back down here for the RSI to reset on the 4-hour, for it then to push off again, get overextended. It can't stay overextended the whole time, the whole bull run. Eventually it has to come down here and momentum has to reset, at which point it's either going to get back below the 50 level, we want to be out of the position, or the momentum is going to reset and allow continuation to the upside. And that looks like it's exactly happening in a lot of these charts right now. So if the 4-hour can continue to push up here, it's going to take the 12-hour with it, it's going to take the daily, and it's going to take the 3-day up. And these have a lot of room for growth. So this thing can go absolutely on a tear. I believe that. If we take this from, let's see, bull market, the high down to the low, which would be this point here, and I change this fib to, let's say, monthly, you can see here what generally happens when we break the 236 on a fib. I'll change the colors. So the yellow line here, when we break the 236 in the fib, the next stalling point is obviously going to be the next Fibonacci number, which we exactly did here. We cracked the 382 and then we rejected from that. But now we're breaking back above the 236 again. And statistically, around like 80% of the time, once we break a 236 in the fib, we're going to make a word towards the 50%, which from where we are would be an 81% move, actually bigger. It would be, 84% move. But in a bull market, I think this can go much, much higher. Like I said, we're only $63 million market cap right now. So this can go much, much higher. We're talking fib extensions 1.618 at $3.46, which would be 400% move. So huge room for growth here. Like some of the crypto YouTubers you can see, oh yeah, here we are, we've broken up this level. We've got some kind of fallen wedge here. Oh yeah, breakout, but that's actually terrible trading this way. However, we have it in this pattern. We took out this low here, broke above the high, that took the low. Certainly for now, the market structure is bullish. I'm looking to scale into position even further, all the way down to this white line here. If we get a higher time frame close, like a 12-hour below, I'll be out of this position. But you're talking about a risk versus reward, which is astronomical here. You're talking about, let's say if you've layered your bids, you could even bid like 20% now, 20% here, 20%, and split your bids into 5. So you can build a position slowly rather than just, oh yeah, there we go, stop loss below there, target the highs, because crypto can be death by 1,000 cuts. And if you're following a lot of these influencers, they're just terrible traders. You don't see their P&Ls. You can guarantee they're getting stopped out more often than not. And in crypto, if you're trading and you're wrong more than 50% of the time, you're not very good, right? So what you want to do is you want to build a position slowly so that you can cut this for not a full loss if the momentum turns bearish. However, let's say you had your average position here. You can just get out on a daily candle closure below here. And then we were targeting those fib extensions, which were, what was it, $3.40. So yeah, you'd look at 22 risk versus reward. So if you put in $100, you've now got $2,200. So not financial advice, but I'm extremely, extremely bullish on Peng. Let me know what altcoins are you watching? What altcoins are you bullish on? Did you catch Floki, Whiff, and Bonk with us? Are you still currently in Popcat? Let me know. That's been extremely, extremely annoying here. Floki, we caught just each one of these rotations, burst above the level, came back down here, reset, bang, pop through again, bang, pop through again. And each time the RSI reset on the 50 level, and we had a continuation to the upside. So guys, let me know in the comments below.